So we're probably talking, when we talk about education for the moment, is on K-12, on school education in the UK, rather than the wide range of other education there is out there. So universities, online, vocational, professional, it's an immense sector.
And maybe just as an introduction, like as an asset class, the reason why education and particularly K-12 has been appealing for private capital investors is, if you look at it as an asset class, it's still very attractive. It has resilient demand. Parents will go over and beyond to kind of protect their children's education, even in economic downturns and macro difficulties. It is highly recurring in nature. That's what you're looking for in a business. It gives you like incredible visibility on the next, if you're talking about schools, the next 10, 15 years of education. As long as you can maintain that relationship with the parents. It is a relationship that goes beyond just exchange of services and goods and finances. And lastly, it does have incredible social impact and importance. The fundamentals of the education market and K-12 market as an asset class have stayed strong historically, but what has really changed is actually the parents, which are the consumers in this case. Their behavior has significantly changed over the last decade. There are fewer children per family. There's more focus on being hands-on in education, and this is all enabled by technology, more digitization of schools. All of this allows you to be much more hands-on, and that means retention is not a given like it was maybe 10 years ago. You go into a school, you're going to be there for till the time you graduate. There's incredible willingness to pay, because if there are fewer children per family, there's more disposable income to be spent on education. However, it comes with really high bars that need to be met. Especially in Asia, the British brands work really well, and they have been working well for the last few decades now. However, very quickly, parents are now asking, all right, but am I getting what I'm paying for? And that is like ensuring that quality is what helps you get the year 3 retention, year 4 retention.
The theme is that education obviously needs to be at the core of the deliverables, otherwise it's not going to work. And there have been some recent examples of schools that are franchise models which have had real problems in different jurisdictions. And I guess the risk is, if you're less certain that you've got a sticky, regular income pupils who can, parents who can pay your fees, that question might start to sort of rock the boat a little bit in certain jurisdictions. I mean, take the UK on the VAT, where, VAT is sort of not quite come out of nowhere, but, lots of schools are closing. Lots of kids are being decanted back into the state system because the cost of it is just unsustainable for lots of schools who were running on thin margins anyway.